Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So I have already done my foundation, my base, my foundation, and my brows. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this light green right here, and we're going to just start it off a little bit. And before I do, I almost forgot. Always, ladies, put a primer on. A shadow base. So the shadow base I'm using is the Tarte, and I hope everybody is having a good day. My skin has cleared up, and it's okay for me to be um, doing and today we're going to be doing a Shera Princess of Power from the original series character. And as y'all see, I'm taking the green. Hope that's giving you some hints who I'm doing. And if you see me looking down, if you see some light, I have my LED mirror I got for Christmas. I'm just now using. This is going to be a very simple, but before I move on to the bottom half of my eye, I am going to go on, where is it? Here we go. And we're going to go on and do, well actually, we're going to come back to it. We're going to go and take this brush and we're going to pull in our pinks. Yep. So the pink I'm pulling is this pink right here. So I'm doing green and I'm doing pink. You haven't figured out who I'm doing from Shera yet? Alright, I'm gonna give you a couple more tries. And we're just gonna glide that around on the lid. And we're gonna go on and do this one right here. So we're just going to use this to pat it. And like I'm saying, I'm hoping everybody is having a good day. So we're going to go in with a lighter one. I'm going to use some pattern motions. Alright. So we're going to take this brush and we're going to come back and with it. This is just a simple one stroke tutorial. And we're going to take that same green and go back in. Okay. Then we're going to take this brush and we're going to take, if you can't see, we're going to take this color right here. It's like a beigey shimmer. And all I'm going to do is in top of it, just work with it. me, y'all. We're going to come back a little. Let me check it. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to make our pink a little darker. So we're going to take the darker pink and we're going to darken it just a little bit. There we go. Alright. With the eyeshadow we're kind of through, but the next step is we're gonna use a blush. And I'm going very neutral for the blush because I don't want the shadow and the blush to overpower each other. So we're going to use Poppy. And as a highlight, we're going to use Wet n Wild Bionic Dream as a highlight. And a little bit on to put in. No. Then we're gonna quickly just do this. But yeah, if you haven't figured out, I did another perfume. That's right. I did perfume. And I like perfume. You know, perfume was the one who, in the original series that they didn't show in this new series, that got on Hordak's nerve. And the reason she got on his nerve was in this particular episode when everything all went black, she still gave life to the program. Let me just say that. There we go. We have that. And let me get, and I know Perfuming Used has this pinky looking color, but for me, because I'm doing this, I am going to use, let's see. Yeah, here we go. I'm going to use Matte Dolce by, see that, but this is by Milani, and it's the perfect pink for me to use. And that is it. That is all I have time for. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful perfume makeup tutorial. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.